Is turmeric always good for you? It's a question that might have crossed your mind, especially if you're someone who enjoys a good curry or a warm cup of turmeric latte. As a spice that has been celebrated for its health benefits and used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, turmeric has certainly earned its golden reputation. But is it always the health superhero we perceive it to be? Let's delve into the heart of the matter. Scientists have conducted numerous studies to unlock the potential benefits and risks of this golden spice. Turmeric's main active ingredient, curcumin, holds a prominent place in these researches. It's touted for its anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant benefits. However, an interesting study published in the Journal of Medicinal Chemistry suggested there might be a darker side to this golden spice. Some experts warn about the potential risks of consuming large amounts of turmeric. They state that excessive intake might lead to stomach upset, nausea, dizziness, or diarrhea. In some rare cases, it might even cause liver damage. Moreover, the European Food Safety Authority has expressed concerns about the potential genotoxic effects of excessive curcumin consumption, which means it could damage DNA and lead to mutations, possibly increasing the risk of cancer. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Like many things in life, moderation is key when it comes to turmeric. While it offers a host of health benefits, it's crucial not to overconsume it. To sum up, turmeric has its benefits and potential risks. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, but when consumed in large amounts, it could lead to stomach upset, dizziness, and potentially more serious health issues. Always remember, it's about finding a balance. Using turmeric as a spice in your meals, or having a cup of turmeric tea occasionally, is generally considered safe and beneficial. So the next time you reach for that golden spice, remember that while it can add a dash of health to your meals, it's best to use it in moderation.